Welcome to Table Tree Cuisine. I'm Stefan and today we're gonna make the bucatini alla matriciana. It's a classical Italian recipe. It's easy to make and very good. Everybody knows about Italian pasta. Who doesn't love Italian pasta? Okay, let's start it. The ingredients for this recipe are the guanciale, that it's a pork cheek. It's cured, it's not smoked. You can use it if you can find this. It's hard to find in America here. You can use like pancetta, it's a pork belly, cured but not smoked. And we have the tomatoes, they're peeled tomatoes, San Marzano from Italy. This you can find it anywhere. And we have the pecorino romano, it's aged cheese, it's a bit salty. That's why when we use this one, we don't use salt because it's enough salty. The guanciale is salty, everything is salty. We don't have to add salt. And the pasta is bucatini, that is the same like spaghetti. They are a bit thicker and they have a hole in them right here. And we're gonna cook the pasta for like 8 minutes. Right. We're gonna cut our guanciale in small pieces like this, not too thick. They're like 4 millimeters, 5 millimeters thick, and we're gonna cut like this. Start cooking the guanciale with low heat. We don't need a high heat. Cooking slowly. We don't add any oil because we're gonna have some fat from the guanciale here. This is an Italian recipe that from La Matriciana. It's a town called La Matriciana, and there were in the past were the shepherds using this recipe. Because they didn't have oil and stuff, they didn't carry out with them tomatoes and everything. They were making just pasta and guanciale. And at that time that was called pasta grigia. And then a cook from Amatriciana introduced to recipe the tomatoes. And that way became La Matriciana. Now we can add a little bit of wine. Just a little bit of wine, okay? Good. Just like that. Now we wait for the alcohol to come out, to evaporate. And then we're gonna add the tomatoes. Okay, the alcohol is out. And now we can add our tomatoes. They are whole. Peeled tomatoes. Now we're gonna crush the tomatoes just a little bit. If the sauce dries out, we can add some water, some cooking water here from the pasta, and keep it cooking while the pasta is ready, al dente. We have to do the spaghetti or the bucatini, all the pasta. In Italy, they are using the pasta, good quality, and they never overcook the pasta. The pasta has to be al dente. The pasta is ready. We're gonna add the pasta to our sauce. We're gonna mix very well for at least 3 minutes to finish to cook the pasta. That it's called mantecare. We're gonna mantechiamo la pasta. Then we're gonna add the pasta. You see it's al dente, it's not fully cooked. Good. And now we're gonna mix the pasta with our sauce very well until our pasta will be fully cooked and mixed well with the sauce. And at the end, when the pasta is cooked and everything is mixed well, we're gonna turn off the heat and we're gonna add our pecorino romano. Pecorino romano, it's a dry cheese made with the sheep milk. Ok, voi mantechiamo la pasta, mix very well. And finish cooking the bucatini. We're gonna add some water if needed, because the pasta is absorbing the water. Just a little, not too much. Let it dry, let it cook, and if we need more, we're gonna add more. And mix it. This is simple to make. Just a few ingredients: pecorino, guanciale, tomato, and bucatini. Easy to make. It's just to follow these steps. You must follow the steps and everything will be okay. You'll have a nice dinner. It's good. Very nice. Very good. It's coming out. Nice bucatini, nice recipe. It's our first recipe to our now brand new channel, Table 3 Cuisine. We thank you. You stay with us until the end. And please subscribe to our channel, like and ring that bell, because that way we can come with more recipes, beautiful recipes from all over the world, from Italy, from France, from Europe, from America, from everywhere. Table 3 Cuisine with Stefan. I'm Stefan. Okay, I think the bucatini are done. We're gonna turn off the heat and we're gonna mix everything with the heat off. We don't need any more heat. We're gonna add our pecorino right now. We're gonna add the pecorino and we're gonna mix it together with the pasta. Very little, not so much. Easy, gentle. Just like that. You see the sauce is thickening out because the pecorino, you see, it's thick. Wow, beautiful. That's it. This is all. Okay. Here we have our plate with our bucatini alla matriciana. This is the final product. It's a nice plate, smells good. And we're gonna try it. We're gonna taste it and see what happens. Let me take a fork and we're gonna taste it and we're gonna see if it's good or not. I hope you're gonna make it too and enjoy this. It's a classic from Italy, bucatini alla matriciana. Let's see. Okay. It's very good. Tastes nice. The salt is right. The tomatoes are sweet. The flavor is good. And the guanciale is cooked and tender. Everything came out very nice. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like and ring the bell, because only that way we can come with new recipes and good food and beautiful food. Ciao ciao, ci vediamo.